everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Luckyway 10-piece tungsten carbide tipped masonry drill bit set. As you can see, they're inside right here. They are good for ceramics, they are good for bricks, they are good for concrete, they're good for glass. Lots of hard materials, but they're also good for softer materials like woods and plastics. And they come in 4 1/4-inch tips, 1/2 inch, 1/8 inch tip, 3/8, 5/16, 3/16, and 5/32. And just go ahead and slide up on that. Take a look at each of these. Super well made, as you can tell. Here's one of the smaller ones. And really great, nice and inexpensive. I like how they include 4 1/4-inch ones because those are the most common. And it ensures that if you ever lose one, you have plenty of extras. So let's go ahead and see how this looks in action. Alrighty, I got the drill bit on here. I'm gonna go ahead and test it through this brick. So as you can see, we got the hole right there. Did take a little bit of effort, but eventually got through it. This is a pretty thick slab, but it gets the job done. Overall, highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.